How to enable auto screen lock in TradingView. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on TradingView and wondering how to enable auto screen lock, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the TradingView app and sign into your account. Now go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner from the home screen. Inside the menu option, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. And now on the next page, toggle on the switch right next to screen auto lock. Now your screen auto lock has been enabled. Now you can get back to the home page, and that's how you successfully enable screen lock in TradingView. Your charts will now be better protected from accidental taps and unintended actions while using the app. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.